Hey guys, and welcome back. We actually have BoxyCharm Premium, and it's not the end of the month. It's amazing. I actually have my BoxyLuxe, and it was already sent out, so that should be coming relatively soon as well. I am exhausted. Excuse my makeup. It's been on for like 8, 11, anywhere in between 8 and 11 hours, guys. That's how my brain is doing right now. But I just wanted to get this open since it was on my doorstep. And let's dive right in, guys. So I did already cut the tape. And I know that it is BoxyCharm behind the scenes, BTS. So pull out the first thing that I see here is the Bloom Effect. Let's find it. It is $34. It's Bloom Effect Tulip Mist. Now, I think it was like a night cream. I haven't opened it up yet in my box a few months ago. So this is $34. And it is vitamin C, vitamin B3, D, and E. It rejuvenates, refreshes, energizes, and brightens the skin. You can use it before your makeup and to set your makeup. So I believe that it's like, it pulls hydration, almost like hyaluronic acid would, pulls hydration to the skin. So that is number one. Number two is something that I already have from Complex Culture. This is actually Ipsy's company, I believe, and now that you're joined, I guess it's Boxy's company. So this says it's $58. It's a Sonic T-Bar facial massagers. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. They look like Mirena, the little tea, and it vibrates through your skin so you can massage it. I'm going to end up probably selling this on my Mercari just because I already have one of these that I got way back in an Ipsy X. So that's what this is. And the next thing I see in here is my Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow. And I got this in the number 6. It's called Smoky. These are the colors right here. I have not decided if I really want to keep it yet. You know what? I will, just because I've never tried theirs before. So the fun thing about this is you can snap the backs into another, and you can travel with 2 of these. So they're rather small, which is nice every time. And I was going to say, these are the colors, but I don't know if you can see the purple has been touched in some way. I don't know if it's a finger or what, but we're just going to hope that it was something else. And we're going to do some swatches. So we're going to do a swatch of this. Oh, wow. Black silver color, this purple, and this other metallic. So the rest of them are pretty much mattes. So we've got the black. Wow, it's like a black purple with gold reflex in it. I don't know if you guys can see that last one, the shimmery gold, and then the purple shimmer. That's really pretty, especially this one right here. I expected it to be black, and it's actually like a midnight blue purple with black and gold reflex. So I'm definitely going to keep that. This is $25. So that's a win. The next thing I see is here is Verb Ghost Oil for your hair, and I have used this before, not this before, but Verb products in my hair before. It's a weightless hair oil. It says it is powered by moringa oil. Blends work help to hydrate and fight frizz. Proven to enhance shine by 75%. Okay, those are some big, bold statements. So the next thing I got, seems rather small, is the Tarte C Skin Perfector. I believe this is a primer. This is also something I chose. It is $32. All right, so my phone died, and that's what I'm taping on currently, and I don't know where I was, but I'm pretty sure that I was on this, and I was saying that this is by Tarte. It is a Glow Skin Perfector, and it says a lip from within look, instant complexion perfect. It says, yeah, it's a primer. So it's a 4-in-1 complexion perfector, works to prime and extend makeup wear. Word. Okay. Work. The last and final thing I have in here, which I'm excited about, is Beauty Bakery, the Milk and Honey Highlight Palette. This is $38, and if I didn't say, the Tarte was $32. So the reason I'm excited about this is because I saw people playing with this, And I really like Beauty Bakery in general. And I'm excited to play with this if I can get it open in any way. Yeah. Alright. Really pretty. So you just push this out here with little honeycombs. And, ooh, beautiful. I love it. Look at the little honeycomb, or the little, I forget what it's called. You know, the little honey, guys, this thing. I'm so tired. Alright, I'm going to give this a swatch. We're going to do spoiler alert, which is this light color right here. This pink one is called Oh Honey. This one is Queen Bee. And I don't want to mess this up, but it's Milk and Honey. So I already have some stuff there. I kind of didn't think this out, but we'll do this here. This is going to be spoiler alert. Oh, beautiful. This is going to be Oh Honey. This is going to be Queen Bee. And this is going to be Be Sweet. So these are the colors, really pigmented. I could absolutely see these being really pigmented. Let's play. Let's play with, let's go into spoiler alert, even though this is about to come right off. And just, oh wow, definitely give you a blinding highlight. Very pretty, the difference. I mean, this is just Grace. That's beautiful. But yeah, this is the highlighter. Grace highlighter. Yeah, so I'm excited about this palette. I'm actually enjoying everything that's in this box. I can't really say that there's anything in this box I don't think that I'm like, I wish I didn't get it. So, yeah, I'm excited for it. And for once I got, like, I don't know, these are both makeup, I guess you could say. So I got hair products, I got skincare. Oh wait, I got 3 things of makeup this time, guys. We all know how rare this is on this channel, so exciting. Yeah, so I will be back next with my Boxy Luxe. I also have my Ipsy Plus came in as well. So I will be back with both of those coming at you. And I still have my birthday haul to do. So much stuff, so little time. I miss you all. I'm sending you all light and love. Comment down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. Did you get Boxy this month? What did your Boxies look like? What is your favorite item out of it? Just threw a lot of stuff at you. Sorry about that. I love you all, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.